Okay, today is Friday, December 20th, and today I learned, I kind of just wanted to talk about your feelings. Well, kind of. I don't know. Because your feelings, today I learned that a lot of times your feelings aren't what you think they are. And your feelings are very, they come and go, and they're very unpredictable and not stationary, right? They're always changing, and they're always, they're not a good foundation to sit upon, right? Your feelings. And, I don't know, today I was kind of just frustrated with that, because I was getting some scores back, and I felt very confident about how I did, and it turned out that I didn't do as good as I thought I did, and that was just one way where it shows that I felt very confident and I had that feeling, but that wasn't actually, I shouldn't have relied on that, because my feeling was wrong in a way. I don't know, I was just thinking about that, because definitely your feelings are important, and I think it is good especially when you have feelings about something. It's good to I think that's why journaling is good, because you're able to flesh out and actually think about what you're feeling, what you're thinking about, your problems, all that kind of thing. So I'm not saying that you should completely invalidate all of your feelings, because you shouldn't do that. And I do think it's important to do that through journaling and stuff. At least that's how I do it. I've always known this, but I guess today was just a reminder to not rely on your feelings. Don't put your foundation on things, on your feelings. Analyze your feelings and try to learn from them and try to use them for good, to make a situation better, but don't rely on them, right? Don't make them your foundation, because they're not objective, they're always changing, they're unpredictable, and that's just not what you want. It's kind of like building your house on the rock versus building your house on the sand kind of thing, right? So I think today was just kind of a reminder to not rely on your feelings and to not put your foundation. Don't build your house on the sand. Don't build your house on something that is gonna constantly be changing, constantly be not a firm foundation. Like I said, it's important to analyze your feelings and to try to figure them out and try to, use them for good or whatever. But a lot of times, and I'm not saying this is all the times, but a lot of the times when you have feelings about something, just know that you shouldn't put everything on those feelings. And that's where you need to go to objective truth, right? So yeah, I guess this is kind of just don't build your house on the sand, build your house on the rock. This is an analogy that's used in the Bible. If you don't know, I'm a Christian, and I think don't rely on your feelings, but rather rely on the Bible and rely on God. That's why I feel like Christianity is so important, because it gives you a foundation, a moral foundation, and just a foundation for your life. And I think that's just honestly today was just a reminder of that, for me at least, to not rely on myself and rely on my own feelings about things, but to rely on what God says, what's in the Bible, and to rely on that, to rely on objective truth. So if you were to take away one thing from this video, then it would just be that. Don't rely on the subjective things such as your feelings, and just rely on the objective things. Now, I do think your feelings can be objective, but they, again, like I said, they're always changing. They're not a firm foundation. So just make sure you're always relying on objective truth. That's kind of what I was reminded of today. Yeah, just a short one today. Rely on objective truth. That's your takeaway. If you like this video, if you found it helpful in any way, then definitely hit the like button. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe, because I'm posting every single day talking about what I learned that day and how I'm trying to apply it to my life and how you guys can apply it to yours. So if you want to see those kinds of videos, then definitely subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you subscribe, then I will see you in tomorrow's video.